We're looking at the Huawei Y7A in this video, and well, I've got a little Halloween surprise for all of you. Keep watching. Good afternoon, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your real life in style. And also, where we dress up for Halloween. Happy Halloween! Yes, folks, that is what's going on here. Because we can't go trick-or-treating this year, we are bringing the tricks and treats to you guys. We're doing a grand Tech Mom Halloween giveaway, and I'm gonna talk about more of that at the end of this video. First, let's talk about my costume because... you guys know who I am yet? And yes, you guessed right, I am a troll. I am Princess Poppy. You see the resemblance? But I'm not just a troll, you guys. You are literally watching this on the internet, and that means I am an online troll. Get it? Get it? Right. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Huawei Y7A, which is one of Huawei's more budget-friendly devices. I'm excited to see this thing because I got the blush gold version and it should be one pretty device. In keeping with my love for pretty phones, I wanted to check this out to see if it looks good and if it can offer more than just looks. Let's unbox. The Huawei Y7A in blush gold. Wait, is this blush gold? Yes, we have the blush gold version, the 4GB 128GB version. I'm excited because look, it's so pretty. On the side, some Huawei branding. Let's open this up. Okay. Putting this aside because let's see what else is in here. We have a SIM tool. Nothing else. We have a power brick, Huawei Supercharge, and we have the power cord. That's a USB-C onto the phone. Wow! Right, it says there that there's a slot for a micro SD and 2 SIM cards. Let's take this sticker off. Wow! That looks nice. It's a very faint gradient. At the bottom, it looks a little goldish. In the middle, that's a nice pink, and up top, it's a silver. So that is an awfully beautiful phone. That, I think, is a plastic back. Pretty! I love how subtle the colors are. I love that there is a gold. I love that there is a pink. I love this. On the back, there are 4 cameras. It says 48 megapixel AI quad camera and a flash. On the side, that is a volume rocker, a power button that I think doubles as a fingerprint scanner. At the bottom, you have speakers, USB-C, audio jack. On the other side, we have the SIM tray, and that is a clean flat top, or that might be a mic. Right, powering this up because it's time for the montage. The Huawei Y7A is powered by the Huawei App Gallery. That means this phone runs on Huawei mobile services, and to download apps, you don't go on the Google Play Store, you go on the Huawei App Gallery. I've downloaded TikTok, LAZADA, Gcash, PixArt, Viber. Admittedly, you don't have every single app on here, but Huawei presents a solution with Petal Search. It's basically an integrated search which gives you APKs you can download so you can get the apps you need. Right, let's get to the camera tour. Here we go, camera tour time, ladies and gents. So this is 1x. We have wide, and also the mess that is my room. And then it can zoom up until 6x. Also, look at that, the Polaroid behind me on the shelf. Nice. So up here we have AI lens. We have AI for the camera, and as you can see, once it recognized me, it switched or gave me the option to go on portrait mode. You have flash settings, you have different filters, And then you also have settings. So to the right, you have video mode, and you also have a beauty mode on video. You have 1x, you have wide, you can zoom up until 6x. Up here you have flash settings, you have the same filters, and then under settings you can shoot up until 1080p. Under more you have a pro mode, all the different settings. Can we do 6x zoom? Wow, look at how clear that is. And can we do a wide? And then you have a slow-mo mode. You have 4x to up until 16x. You have the option for motion detection. There is a panorama mode, a light painting mode, an HDR mode, a time-lapse mode, a moving picture mode, stickers. Where are the stickers? Oh, there. Oh, so there are different ones. There's also a super macro mode, so the shooting distance should be 4 centimeters, and then a high res mode. On the other side, we have the portrait mode. So as you can see, the background is now blurred. You have the option to do circles, hearts, discs. That's for like the teeny tiny lights. So this works best for stuff like if you have lights behind you or trees, those effects would look so good. You also have beauty mode. And what's this? Optional beauty and background blur effects. See, it's always important to have the option, even if you don't want to. The fact that you have an option changes everything, and that applies not just to the beauty mode on phones. Right, and then finally the night mode, and you can change ISO settings here. There is a shutter speed option here, so that's pretty cool. I can do 1x up until 6x, and doesn't seem to be a wide available though. And then under aperture settings, so this is basically the bokeh mode for objects. You have an aperture of 0.95 to 16. Now on to the selfie mode. You don't see a selfie mode in aperture. Night mode, no selfie mode. On portrait mode, so this is the portrait selfie. Up here you have flash settings, you have the beauty mode, you have the different effects also available. On the right you have photo. Can you zoom in or out? No, you cannot. And then you have flash settings, filters. On video you also have beauty mode. You have the different filters up here, and you can shoot video up until 1080p. And back under more, the same things we've already checked out. So now it's time to leave you with some sample shots.
And that was it for today's first look and camera tour of the Huawei Y7A. In the Philippines, this thing retails for 8,999 pesos. Of course, this is just my first look, so if a camera tour or a full review is something you'd like to see, let me know. Now, for the moment you guys have been waiting for, yes, I will be giving away the Huawei Watch Fit. If you don't know what that is, it's a pretty cool thing. I'll link my video of it up here and down below. But that's not the only thing we're giving away this Halloween. Each TechMob member is giving away one cool thing, and for a chance to win, all you need to do is subscribe to all of us. And well, I'll link the rest of the instructions down below. Check it out. And again, you need to be subscribed to all of us. Please read carefully because we will be disqualifying those who don't follow instructions. That's it for today's video. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, if you want to check out updates on the giveaway, find me online. That's at LAZADA_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Guys, I hope you like my costume because I thought long and hard for this. Let me know what you think about this whole thing too down below. That's it for today. Good luck on the giveaway. Bye!